Okay, I wanted to show a quick demonstration of the new API connector feature for ZeroBS CRM. So what this connector does is it lets you connect as many websites as you want to the CRM via your API. So when you install ZeroBS CRM on your website, so you may be managing a CRM of contacts, and this is the ZBS CRM installed on that website. So this is your CRM, you've installed the ZeroBS CRM plugin, and you've activated the API of the CRM, and this tells you that if you're using the API, this is the endpoint, so this is where you send data to, and this is the key and the secret to be able to accept the data. And then once you save that, then you'll have those settings. And then on your WooCommerce website, so say you have a store here, so you have a different website, so it's a different URL, a different website, and you install just the API connector. So the minimum you need on your website is WooCommerce and the ZeroBS CRM API connector. So what this means is you don't need ZeroBS CRM itself on your e-commerce stores, and you can put this API connector on as many different websites as you like that you're running WooCommerce on, and it will send the customers and the transaction data through to your CRM. So the way you do this is you just install it and activate, and it gives a new little setting at the bottom. You go on ZeroBS CRM API and you enter the details from your other website. So I'm doing this on localhost, so you see that it's actually 2017 in this where the CRM is, and this website itself is on 2018. So this might be domain A and your CRM might be domain B. So you put in the settings here for your CRM, and then the key and the secret from before from this page, and then you hit a prefix. So you want to put a prefix in there. So if you have 5 different stores, then it will pass your prefix and then the order ID. So it might be good to put another underscore, so your underscore prefix underscore, and then it'll append the WooCommerce order ID from that store into the start of the order. So we'll save that. So this is all set up now, that's all you need to do. And it can also connect other things, so WooCommerce orders, website registrations, Gravity Forms, submissions on Concept Form 7 submissions. So WooCommerce is the newest edition. And so we've done that. We've set up a simple WooCommerce product. Any WooCommerce products, we add it to basket. We then view the basket, and then you proceed to checkout. So somebody's purchasing off your store, and then so you'll put the details in and then click place the order. So we've done direct transfer at the moment for the bank, and what this has done then, it says okay, it's completed, this has been paid for on your WooCommerce store. And remember, all we had on this store was the API connector and WooCommerce. You can have any other plugins that you may be using on your site, but these are the minimum that you need. And then what's happened, this is the CRM, this is how it was before. I've not touched the CRM install, and you'll see that through having the API connector, it's passed through that order, and it's on hold because it's processing, so it's a direct bank transfer. And that's all that's needed. So you see there that it's passed the data via the API, and you've got your order in the CRM. And that's as simple as it is, and you can connect as many websites as you like to your CRM, and you'll be able to see all the orders in one place. So if you've got two WooCommerce stores, it will send them into the same, and it's past the item number. And then if you have a look at the transaction itself, you see it's got your prefix from before, and then the WooCommerce order ID at the end, and the date that it was made, and which customer it's been connected to. So that's all there is to it.